Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Relay. First, you will need to register your carrier company on the Amazon Relay portal. This involves providing essential business information, including your USDOT number and MC number. You must also meet Amazon's strict insurance and safety standards, which typically include $1 million in auto liability and $100,000 in cargo coverage. Once approved, download the Amazon Relay mobile application to begin managing your loads efficiently. After registration, the next step is finding suitable loads. Navigate to the load board within the Amazon Relay portal or app. You can filter loads by origin, destination, trailer type, and pickup date to find the best matches for your fleet. Carefully review all load details, including the payment amount and specific requirements, before making a decision. You can either submit a bid for a load or instantly book loads that offer a fixed rate, providing flexibility for your operations. Once a load is booked, the Amazon Relay app becomes your essential tool for managing the delivery. It provides real-time updates, turn-by-turn navigation, and electronic proof of delivery. You will confirm pickup and delivery times directly within the application, ensuring accurate tracking. Should any unforeseen issues or delays arise during transit, it is crucial to report them immediately using the in-app communication features to maintain smooth operations and avoid potential penalties. Amazon Relay processes payments weekly for all completed and approved loads, typically within 7 days of delivery. You can track your payment status and view detailed statements directly on the portal. It is also important to regularly monitor your carrier performance metrics, such as on-time delivery and tender acceptance rates. Maintaining high service standards and a strong performance record will help you secure more desirable loads and foster a successful, long-term partnership with Amazon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.